The installation process of the MCM type decorative integrated vacuum insulation panel consists of 8 simple steps. First, we start by marking the reference line on the wall to ensure correct alignment. Next, we apply the interfacial agent to prepare the surface. Then we spread the bonding mortar evenly. After that, the panel is carefully positioned onto the wall. Once in place, we pre-install the fasteners, followed by drilling the holes at the marked points. We then tighten the expansion anchors and fastening screws securely. Finally, we apply masking tape along the edges and seal them neatly with a high quality sealant to ensure a clean and reliable finish, as we have seen in the photographs. The installation process of the metal type decorative integrated vacuum insulation panel is nearly the same as that of the MCM type. The only key difference is that in this case you will need to remove the protective film from the panel surface as part of the final step, after the panel has been fully fixed and sealed in place.